Welcome back to our channel for another installation day. So today in the shop we have this beautiful PTS Mint Green 992 GT3. So if you notice, this car has actually appeared in one of our videos before, because in the past we have already fitted an IPE full exhaust system for this GT3. So what is the car doing here today in the shop? And the answer is, we are going to install this ADRO ATP swan neck wing for the GT3. So this is how the factory rear wing looks like before we replace it with the ADRO ATP rear wing. And later, once we have this factory rear wing removed from the car, of course we will talk a little bit further about the differences between the factory wing and the ADRO wing. What are the benefits that you can get with the ADRO ATP swan neck wing? So now let's get back to work to remove the factory wing out from the GT3 before we can begin our installation. Alright, so here it is. This is how the GT3 looks like without the rear wing. In order to install the ADRO swan neck wing, we have to remove basically everything from the rear section of the GT3. So we have removed the covers, the factory swan neck wing, the brackets, everything, and put it right over here. So this is the comparison of the factory swan neck wing compared to the ADRO ATP swan neck wing. So now I will take a few minutes to talk a little bit more details about this very beautiful ADRO carbon fiber ATP swan neck wing. There is a few key features of this ADRO ATP swan neck wing for the 992 GT3. So first of all, pre-preg carbon fiber construction. This rear wing is crafted from premium carbon fiber material for the exceptional strength, lightweight performance, and also durability. Then secondly, the rear wing is also CFD optimized aerodynamics. It is developed by using a computational fluid dynamics, which in short form is CFD, to maximize the downforce, reduce drag, and also enhance stability at high speed. Also, the dual element configuration on the swan neck wing maintains an efficient loading across all angles of attack, providing superior aerodynamic balance when you have the rear wing installed on your 992 GT3. And on the central section, if you notice, there is a swooping central section that reduces drag and increase efficiency, ensuring peak performance during every drive. As for this ADRO ATP swan neck wing, it is also fully adjustable, which they have 6 degrees of adjustability. It allows you to fine-tune the wing's angle to optimize the downforce and balance for any driving conditions, whether on the road or on the track. While for the mounting position, the ADRO rear wing features also a swan neck mounting that is same as the factory rear wing, that ensures a cleaner airflow over the wing surface, maximize aerodynamic efficiency and reducing turbulence. The ADRO swan neck rear wing has an effortless OEM fitment, which it mounts seamlessly to the factory mounting points, ensuring an easy installation with a flawless finish. That's all for the product explanation part. So now we'll begin the installation of the ADRO wing on the 992 GT3. And when we have this rear wing installed on the car, definitely the owner will be benefited from a lot more downforce compared to the factory rear wing, and also it will significantly improve the performance of the car, how the car handles around the corner with the ADRO swan neck wing. After a few hours of hard work, and we have finally managed to install this very beautiful ADRO carbon fiber swan neck rear wing on our client's 992 GT3. And with this rear wing installed, I would say it completely changes the looks of the GT3, especially from the rear. This ADRO rear wing gives the car a very aggressive look, and also with the ADRO rear wing, I believe it will significantly improve the downforce on the GT3, and also the car will definitely handles a lot better around the corners. If we look from this angle, the ADRO rear wing actually sits a lot higher compared to the factory rear wing, and if I'm not mistaken, this is about the same height as the factory rear wing on the 992 GT3 RS. Also for this ADRO rear wing, as we mentioned earlier, this rear wing is actually adjustable, so there will be 6 different angles that you can adjust the rear wing according to your needs. Whether you want the maximum downforce or you want to have more drag is totally up to you. It can be easily toggled right over here from the screws to have different settings. And that's all for today's video. So let us know in the comment sections below what do you think about the ADRO carbon fiber ATP swan neck wing on the 992 GT3. If you enjoy our content, like and share this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting contents in the future.